Going to have my lips done. When I say I'm gonna have my lips done, as you can see, this is my natural lip color. Medyo maputla siya talaga. It's naturally pale. But Bianca told me, the one who's gonna be doing my lips, it's ideal that you have pale lips, hindi yung dark lips like when you're smoking. Basically, naturally pale. That's why I'm a good candidate to have my lip tint done professionally. So it's kind of like a permanent makeup. I'm not so sure pa how it goes, like how long it would last or things like that. Maybe later i-brief pa ako ni Bianca, but I'm super excited to have it done.
So what we'll do is we'll put muna anesthesia for like 30 minutes and then we'll start the procedure. Okay?
So after filling up the forms, I was applied with topical anesthesia for 30 minutes before the procedure.
Say hi.
If you're comfortable laying down, it's fine, but if you wanna sit up
So while waiting for 30 minutes for the anesthesia, I was given the chance to choose my color for that day. So I picked bright pink. Alright, so it's time to start with the tattoo. Bianca started with the outline of my lips. Working with Bianca was such a breeze. In fact, nakatulog pa nga ako. After completely shading the entire lips, it doesn't end there. Bianca would have to do it 2 or 3 more times just to make everything even. Alright, now everything is done, it's time for cleanup, and Bianca applied some healing cream on my lips.
Para hindi nagde-dry yung lips. And para mag-heal din siya faster. It has vitamin D and vitamin A.
Okay, so here's how it is. Medyo swollen pa siya, so we'll wait a couple of days for it to subside. And it's currently really, really bright, but that's okay. It's gonna be fading in about 1 to 2 days.
Machine with plastic is a big no-no. Kasi yung machine na yun, you cannot put it inside the sterilizer. So you can only wipe it with alcohol. So if the client, for instance, masepa, napunta siya dun sa machine, it's gonna be hard to take it off the machine. So it's very hard na everything has to be hygienic, everything has to be covered with plastic. Para once done, you just, tatagulin mo lang and then you just throw it away and then you wipe everything with plastic, with alcohol.
I think I only spent about an hour or an hour and a half. Tapos yung 30 minutes para dun sa, excluding yung 30 minutes for the anesthesia. And to be honest, it was really painless. As in, wala kang ma-feel na pain. Kasi naka-topical anesthesia. Tsaka nakatulog pa nga ako during the process. So, it's super painless. You don't have to be scared. If you're afraid of needles, you don't have to be scared. You won't feel anything. But, if siguro matagal yung pagkagawa, mawawala yung anesthesia in time. So, just have to tell her na may nafe-feel ka na and then mag-top up lang siya na anesthesia and then you're good to go. So, ayun lang. I think I spent 2 hours nga to have everything done. So, right now, medyo nag-wear off na anesthesia. Wala pa rin pain, but you feel that your lips are really swollen. Like, super full-blown Kylie lips siya. It looks like this. Medyo swollen siya. It's full-blown Kylie lips right now. And hindi siya pwede ma-expose sa sunlight. It's very sensitive to light, just like your conventional tattoo. And you're not supposed to eat anything that's malansa or salty in the next 3 days. So, you have to allow it to heal without anything na magti-trigger ng any sensitivities. After a month, I will have my checkup and retouch with Bianca. So, Bianca was trained from different trainers in Europe. She's had trainings from Canada, from Spain, and I think different teachers also to do her craft. And she seems okay naman. Everything is sanitized. That's what I liked about her clinic. Everything is sanitized. And she made sure to show me that she's using a brand new needle. She made sure that everything is clean. Naka-glove siya and everything is covered in plastic. So that she explained na para she can just throw it away. Para disposable na lang siya. And she gives me advice. And she was able to answer all my questions. And we decided to delay yung paggawa ng kilay ko kasi she wanted it to parang after 3 months pag mas nag-fade na siya tsaka na lang daw niya gagawin para mas brand new slate. But for today, the anesthesia has worn off. Medyo makalat lang sa teeth, but it should be gone later if I brush my teeth. So I shouldn't be eating anything salty kasi baka mag-water retention and malansa kasi baka mag-allergic reaction. There you go. So there, I'm very excited to see the final outcome of my lips kasi if you don't know, my lips are really my problem. It's been really pale ever since. It's naturally pale. So whenever I wake up in the morning, sobrang putla niya. Most especially like when I go out, for example, when I'm in the beach, ganyan. Tapos wala akong makeup. Makita mo talaga sobrang pale na lips ko. At wala siyang color. I don't want to show it anymore. I just want to cover it until it heals. But I'm really excited to go through the process. Yung pagtanggal niya ng color and pag-fade ng overly vibrant color to reveal what it's gonna be after 3 days. Okay, so it's day 1 after my lip tint. You can see that it's looking pretty great. I just have some lip gloss on. This is basically the color that I got from yesterday. Okay naman siya. As you can see, let me just zoom in. It's a little patchy kasi it's been shedding some skin, which is normal. It's a normal process. After your tattoo or after any tattoo, magpipeel off siya. And after it has peeled off, that's the color you're gonna get. So, in the next 2 days, I was told that this is gonna be brighter. The color is gonna be brighter. And then after that first 2 days to 2 weeks, I think. Tsaka magno-normalize ng color. But I'm really loving it. I'm really loving the fact that I don't have to wear any lip color. I look like I have lipstick, which is the look that I'm getting. Yeah, so basically, I'm really happy with the result. Part of the aftercare that I do is I put lip balm. It's gonna be dry after the treatment. So, kahapon, ng umaga, I got the treatment. Nung gabi, I feel that it's a little dry kasi nga, you're expected to have those top layer of skin to shed in the next 2 days. Mine shed a little kaninang umaga and you're not supposed to pick it, but I just hate seeing masyado siyang flaky, so I just picked a little. But wag mo siyang pipilitin kasi masusugat. So, the ones near the outline or the ones near the border, you expect them to get loose a little longer. Yung bottom lip ko, basically, new skin na yan. Yung top lip ko is very dry kasi nandiyan pa yung old skin from yesterday. The bottom ones are the ones that I picked. You're not supposed to pick it, but matigas lang ang ulo ko. So, that's basically the new skin. Makikita mo lang na mas dark dito kasi hindi ko pinilit. I'm very careful in removing the old skin. Ayoko lang yung feeling na when I press my lips together, parang may nagdidikit na skin. That's why I picked it. But, yeah. So, there you go. It's really nice. I really love the effect. I really love how it's looking right now. I'm very confident with Bianca's clinic. She's very meticulous when it comes to hygiene, when it comes to customer concern. She was able to answer all of my questions. Every time I go through any of these treatments for my channel, I have questions na in my mind kasi I want, I want all the bases covered. I just don't want to appear in any random salon and get the treatment. And as consumers, we should be responsible for our safety. So, yun, I love that Bianca was able to answer all of my questions pre-treatment, during the treatment, post-treatment. Super great. And then, she's so reachable. I love her service. Anytime you can just message her, she will reply. Like, when I got home, I asked her a couple of things kasi I wanted to know what to expect, like a day or two after the treatment. So, yan. And I'm really loving the color. My choices was red, as you've seen in the earlier clip. Red, pink, and it was my brick orange. I chose pink kasi it makes you look young, right? So yun, I'm really very happy with how it's looking right now. I'm so excited on how it would look like after a week or after 2 weeks. But so far, I'm really loving it. There's no downtime. You can actually go out go through your day normally. It's just that I'm taking extra precaution. Kaya nung lumabas ako yesterday, I was wearing face mask. I didn't want it to be exposed to any pollution or whatever. It's not that I went out naman sa street, but I just want to be extra careful. Also, I'm protecting my lips from my cats kasi alam mo na, things can go wrong and it's not bad if you take extra precaution. So there you go. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed me taking you in these treatments kasi I want my channel to be educational in a way, to let my subscribers know how these things go and how it is after and all that. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this on your Facebook wall. Guys, don't forget to follow Bianca. If you want to get the same treatment done, just hit her up through Instagram. I will link her down below and tell her that you found her through Couchwasabi. And I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!